I had no time until I did this. Creating time intentionally without sacrificing your life. Everyone says, make time for what matters. But when you're in survival mode, everything feels urgent. So, how do you make time when there's nothing left to give? You're totally drained. This is exactly what I faced, and the shifts I made that finally changed everything. Let me take you back a little bit. I had just walked away from a job that drained me, a job I took after retiring because the bills were piling up and it just kept escalating. And instead of freedom, I was drowning, literally drowning in stress. My days were full, my brain was overloaded, and even though I wanted to build something different, I honestly didn't think I had the time anymore or the energy to do it. Every minute was already spoken for. I was burned out, trying to stay afloat, and the thought of adding one more thing felt impossible. Can't do it. But I made one decision, a single shift in perspective that helped me take back control of my time in life. I stopped trying to find time and I started creating it. Step one, I got honest about where my time was going. I tracked my time for about 3 days, not to guilt myself, but to understand what I was actually doing. Where did my time always go? I couldn't find it. I realized I was spending 45 minutes scrolling, 30 minutes worrying, time cleaning up after people who could clean up after themselves, saying yes to commitments I didn't even want to make. None of that was helping me build peace or progress. I wasn't lazy, I was distracted and reactive instead of intentional. Step two, I reclaimed just 1 hour a day. That was the only goal, 1 hour daily. I started waking up 45 minutes earlier, or sometimes just logging off the distractions at night because it clutters your brain. You can't even think sometimes because of that. In that hour, I didn't hustle. I followed a plan. I studied. I built something little by little. Step three, I plugged into a system that respected my time. The biggest shift. I stopped trying to piece it together on my own all the time. That was overwhelming. I found a system that already had the structure, the automation, and the fabulous mentorship. So I didn't need 10 hours a day. I needed one, maybe two or three, creating income producing tasks. And those hours became the most powerful part of my, I should say, new life. If you miss part one, you're not lazy. You're living in survival mode. Take a moment and watch. Go back to part one and see what you think, and then follow it with two. In part three, I'll show you exactly how that time turned into income and how the business I built now runs while I rest, live, have fun, enjoy my life. Drop found time if you know it's time to take back your life. Stay tuned for the final part of this series that I'm doing, and I will start a new one afterwards.